Hey there. Subscribe to my channel. And also press this bell icon. So you never miss any new updates, cause whenever we upload new video you will get a notification on your phone.
Good morning, my dear students. You already learned in previous class about the place value chart of Indian system. Now we will learn about the place value chart of international system. First, this is the place value chart of international system. This also same like that Indian system, but a little bit difference is there. See, this is ones. This also coming from here only. Ones place. O for ones, T for tens, H for hundreds, T for thousands, TH for 10,000s, HTH for 100,000s, M for million, TM for 10 million, HM for 100 million. In this place value chart, you will learn up to million only. See, in Indian system, in Indian place value system, see, we are dividing the groups 4. After ones groups, thousands groups, lakhs groups and crore groups. But here we are dividing only 3 groups. First is ones group, second is thousands group, afterwards millions group. After thousand will come millions group. Then see here, O means ones, tens, 100 is ones group. In Indian system also same like that, no? Next, 1000, 10,000, 100,000. See here, in Indian system we are using first starting 3 digit. After 3 digit we are using commas, no, for each 2 digit. But in international system we are using after ones group we are put the commas for 3 digits. For example, see here, see here, 1, 2, 3. This is ones group. Put comma. In Indian system, 4, 3, 1, 2, 2 digit. Put comma. So we are using for 2 digit comma. But in international system, see, first for ones group, after ones group put comma, after this comma next 1, 2, 3, like this. How to read the Indian system of this number? See, 12,34,567. But this is 1,234,567. So here after 1000 in this international system 100,000 also will come. See, in Indian system after 10,000 lakh will come, no, but in this international system after 10,000 100,000 will come. After 100,000 million will come. It means for according to Indian system million means 10 lakh. This is tens place, means lakh place. This is 10 lakhs place. That's why 1 million is equal to 10 lakh. So another one number I will write now. 3, 4, 5, 6, 2, 1, 5. See, how many digits are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Means 10 million. See, after 3 digits. This is ones group, no? 2, 5, 1. This is ones group. Put 1 comma. 2, 6, 5. Put 1 comma. Now, how to read this number according to international system? 34 million 562,152. You know that? 34 million 562,152. This is the international system. So, this is the place value chart of international system. Another one number I will write now. 3, 1, 2, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Yes. 1, 2, 3. After one's group, put comma. Next, 1, 2, 3. Put comma. 1, 2, 3. See. Means 431,692. This is the method of reading international numbers, international system of numbers. See, how to read this? 431,205,692. So, this one according to our Indian system. One, two, three. Put comma. 1, 2. Put comma. 1, 2. Put comma. See. According to Indian system, 43 crore 12 lakh 5,692. See the difference between Indian system and international system. We are using the commas for one's group, both are same. After one's group, we are use the commas according to Indian system for 2 digits. But in international system, after one groups, we are putting the commas for 3 digits. After 3 digits, we are putting the commas. Understood how to write and how to read the numbers according to Indian system and international system. Okay, I will take in the next class about the numbers also. Okay, thank you.